In a town in Thailand overwhelmed by monkey gangs, local authorities tried something new: garlic spray. Turns out, macaques hate the smell. They sprayed trees, railings, and food carts with concentrated garlic oil to keep them away. It worked. Kind of. The monkeys started holding their noses, then came back wearing stolen masks. The monkey problem wasn't solved, but the city smelled like an Italian kitchen. Like this if garlic is the new superhero.